Okay, checkpoint 13.19. Can the following code be compiled? Why? Okay, look at the coding. This is actually all coding style. Let's look at here. N1 is integer object. Sometimes we call it auto boxing. But N2 is based on object. So it's not comparable. Okay, you cannot compare N1 with N2. So if we fix that problem, typecasting is necessary, integer, so that this way you may be able to run it. Okay, so if you run it, okay, so here's the -1 difference between 3 and 4. Now we need to go back. Okay, here, if you look at the netbeans, say integer has been depreciated and then marked for removal. Okay, if you look at here, we can just assign integer 3 and then integer 4. Still we can compare because n1 is holding integer value 3 and 4. So we can go here, change to int. Okay, so this way you can still get the same answer. Okay, but you are not going to have a problem with the compiler error. Okay, that's it. Thank you.